Hello, we welcome you to Salary Box, one and only channel for innovative business ideas and entrepreneurs. If you're new here, then hit the subscribe button and bell icon to join the club. Looking to launch a business this year? We present our list of the best 5 small business opportunities for 2020, chosen from across a variety of industries. To make it into this list, these businesses must satisfy 4 criteria. Criteria number 1, have the potential to be profitable now and for many years in the future. Second criteria is bulletproof business model in uncertain economic conditions like pandemic. Third criteria, it doesn't require a PhD or decades of prior experience. Fourth and last criteria is it doesn't demand a large amounts of startup capital, but only what every startup business requires is dedication, hard work, perseverance and a desire to succeed. So most of these great opportunities are also in home-based business. So let's straightly jump into the topic. First business idea is personal hygiene. The underrated personal hygiene market has come out at the top of the pandemic as demand for items that could prevent a coronavirus infection such as masks, PP suits, gloves and sanitizers increased. If you are ready to deliver quality products in most affordable price, then you will be the market leader. Due to coronavirus outbreak, people have really understood the importance of personal hygiene. Innovation will be a key factor which will decide your success in this segment. For example, consider this idea of co-working space where employees can come and work peacefully without any distractions. But you need to solve some challenges like working space should be properly sanitized now and then and also should have all safety measures and proper hygiene maintained. Recently, Google announced that it will let employees work from home until at least July 2021. So it's definitely expected that many other companies will follow this trend. Think about it and grab this opportunity as soon as possible. So let's move on to our second business idea, that is digital marketing. The importance of the internet grows with every passing day, making it harder all the time for businesses to function through conventional business model like physical stores. So that's where digital marketing plays an important role. Digital marketing services are always in demand and many small and mid-sized companies would rather outsource it than establish a costly in-house team. If you've got proper knowledge in SEO, content marketing, pay-per-click, web development or social media management, you could have a business opportunity that allows you the freedom to work from home. For sure, this is a booming industry as all businesses are being forced to enter digital arena to combat with the present economic conditions during this pandemic. So let's move on to our third business idea, that is graphic designer. Corporations and small businesses all need eye-catching promotional and graphical materials. If you've got an artistic skill and know how to organize content into an eye-catchy and visually pleasing format, you can start a graphic design business to provide flyers, digital ads, posters and other engaging visual materials. Graphic design will also require you to have a few physical tools beyond a laptop and a desk. Freelancers who have good experience in softwares like Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop are always in demand. This could also be a potential business idea you can definitely consider. If you are confused and don't know where to start, then consider doing few courses in graphical design from websites like Coursera and Udemy. These courses will help you to gain enough skills to start off as a freelancer in graphical designing. So being said this, let's move on to our fourth business idea, that is online tutoring. With schools and colleges shut all over the world, education through digital platforms seems to be the only solution. That's where the demand for online tutors have sharply increased. If you are an expert in art, maths or another subject, you can start the business of online tutoring. As an essential prerequisite is having a bachelor's degree in the subject you intend to teach, or else make sure to cover this area before you get started. You can find online tutoring clients on sites like Vedantu, QMath and Tutor.com. For the best results, Always teach subjects that relate to your area of expertise because you will be able to share your skills and constructive knowledge to enhance the learning experience of students. You can deliver lectures and interact with your students over Skype. This makes online tutoring one of the easiest and scalable online business to start right now. So let's move on to our last and final business idea, that is video production. With increased consumption of online video content, there is certainly a need for people who can record, edit, cut and publish videos. Starting a video production company, therefore, might turn out to be a lucrative business idea for you. The initial investment in this business is a basic lighting set, wireless microphones, 1 to 2 cameras and editing softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. See if you can find second-hand varieties for some of this equipment in order to reduce startup costs. You can offer to produce video content for companies, YouTube channels, manage graduation and wedding videography and more. While there is no restriction to the types of projects you can do, specializing in a niche makes it easy to stand out in a busy marketplace like video production. There you have it, a list of 5 small business ideas that will make you money in 2020. To give yourself the best chance of success, focus on one idea at a time until you find one that aligns with your abilities and passion. Thousands of entrepreneurs have already implemented these business ideas to make money. Successful business idea is when the right idea meets right execution. We wish you all the best for your journey. If you found our video informative, then give our video a like and share it with your friends and family. So that's it for this video. Bye.